this young man is selfless, committed, willing to see people win. I'd like to turn the table to our chairman 25 loading, Mr. Mayo Awolabi. So Mayo, are you on the call?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have the floor, sir.
Thank you so much, Coach Almenton. Super excited. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, Nigeria. Good evening, US. Good evening, wherever you're joining us from. I want to celebrate our coach and mentor, Mr. Francis Chiora, an amazing leader of ours who has helped us see the light. We super celebrate you. Everybody respect greatness. Can you type in 777 on the chat box? Come on, guys. Type in 777 on the chat box. Celebrate greatness. I'm super excited. And it's been a great weekend. Guys, if there is anything to do this time, is to be grateful to God because of the possibilities that is on our desk. I was sharing with our church today where I went to speak on wealth creation at their fingertips with their phone and what they can do online, having to open their mind to how people are positioning themselves in the place of this coronavirus. In 2008, when one of the crashes that affected the whole market happened, there was a man who said it was going to happen, and a lot of investors needed to take their positions. Now, in 2011, another one happened, and in 2020, here we are again. However, this time around, it is not a financial crisis, it is health crisis. What that does is that it allows us to also know that this is when money will be moving to the rightful owner. And if you're not positioned, I tell you, you might miss out. And one of the ways to be positioned is to have access to some certain information that will help you and I. And I'm excited, I'm grateful to God because I'm not missing and I'm not being told about this. You know, you could be alive and they would just be gisting you or telling you after it has happened. I want to appreciate everyone for being on the call. My name remains Mayo Awolabi. I'm a privileged top trainer in I Am Mastery Academy in Africa, having to help a lot of us see how simplified we can trade Forex. And I'm ready for the week because one of the things the weekend allow you to do is to plan. If you're on this call with me tonight, can you type in plan? If you're on this call with me tonight, can you type in plan? Now, what the planning architecture allows you to do is to allow you to prepare for the week. A lot of traders that are successful use their weekend 1 to 2, 3 hours to prepare for the week. You don't see them agreeably on the system during the week. You don't see them spend hours or spend non-defined hours during the week on their MT4 because they have done their planning. There is a word that says plan your trade and trade your plan. So what you want to do is to go through your charts over the weekend, go through your tools over the weekend, go through your mentor sessions over the weekend. I just finished watching another session with one of the referred mentors I follow. On Saturday, I was sharing with our chairman, Francis, on how I had a meeting. I followed one of my referred mentor in South Korea. And all of these people, I spend time to study them. I spend time to study their chart. I spend time to understand how they are seeing the market, you know, and that is what the I Am Mastery Academy has given to us. Guys, I spend hours following these I Am Mastery educators because that is the way you want to grow. In as much that the day you feel you are there already, that is the day you start going down. And I really, really want to beseech us that we don't take our weekends for granted. You want to use that to plan for the week. If you spend time on your I Am Mastery Academy this weekend, can you type in 2 on the chat box? You are able to watch your videos. You are able to spend time on the Go Live TV. Can you type in 2? Now, let's be sincere, because when you are not doing it and you say you're doing it, you're not deceiving me, but you need to be sincere with yourself. And a lot of time I've told you, Friday trainings and Sunday trainings are not for beginners, are not for, because it's not for people who are afraid of success. It's for people, is to get us ready for success. And so a lot of time I could be harsh, not because I don't like you, but because I love you. And when you see a leader who loves, is the person who tries to chastise you when you're wrong. So if you really want to be successful in this business, you want to spend time on your I Am Mastery Academy and your mentor on the Go Live sessions. You want to watch their videos, you want to see how they are looking at the market, and you want to prepare for the week. And that is how success is built. It is not what you know, it is what you do continuously. So there's a continuous requirement when it comes to success. And if you're excited about what I'm sharing with you tonight, how we are starting tonight's call, can you type in, I'm excited? Come on, guys. Because a lot of times, some people don't like it this route. They just want people to just tell them what they want to hear. But they've told you what you want to hear for the past years, and things are not changing. So that means we need to change the methodology of how you hear the things. Saturday, yesterday, spent about 2 to 4 hours on the system studying. Today alone, I spent close to 2 hours, apart from the request that my family told me to come hang out with them. And I had to hang out for a couple of hours with them. But guys, when it comes to weekend, you want to spend some quality time on watching mentors, successful people. The last time we had Lisardo Tavares, he went ahead to even show us how he withdraws every single week. And there's nothing as amazing as the kind of money you have never made before. Somebody have made it. So the question is, who has made that kind of money? Can I spend quality time with him or her? Or can I spend quality time with him or her so that I can grow my hunger for success? And that's the note we're going to be starting tonight. Super excited to be on the call with you tonight. One more time, can you type in 777? Celebrate the founder of Profit Arcade, an amazing mentor and leader of mine and yours. Come on, guys. Type in 777. Mr. Francis Chora will super celebrate you. And guys, this is a period where you really want to harness the Forex market. The dollar is really increasing. And that means every dollar you make is a blessing, is a blessing. So tonight we're going to be starting with Damilola, I need you to repost on all the groups. I don't think we've reposted. I need to repost on all the groups that we are live. Damilola, if you're on the call, do that right away. Okay, so Sunday night, you have to always be with your notes. And I hope you guys are with your notes. I hope you guys are with your notes. So tonight, come and do what you do. I need your move over. So I'm clicking on strategy. This is the academy. I need your move. You see my account, they are giving me all of fame. Look at that. Look at that. They are giving me all of fame. You can see I'm spending quality time. Quality time. 26 XP. They are giving me. And some of us, you have not known anything. We are not spending time to learn. You need to spend time, guys. There's money everywhere, but you need to put in your part. You need to put in your part. Somebody said, or posted on Friday that he was copying and pasting and losing money. Then go to learn. Go to learning. Go to learning. You know, I know we a lot of us came in on board because of copy and paste, but the real fish, the real soup is in learning. It's not in copying and pasting. So we'll start with, I'll round up with harmonics scanner. We start with, let's start with Steady. Steady has been doing well. I've been following them for some weeks now. They're amazing traders. Their major trading strategy is Fibonacci and Fibonacci and Fibonacci and supply and demand. Okay. So on Friday, they sent us this trade that we should go in on buy limits. So it hit stop loss. Okay. It hit stop loss minus 40 pips. That's not an issue because we made money this week with it. We made money with it this week. So it's telling us again that gold will go up. So those of us that picked it last week, we're already in profit. So it's projecting that gold will come to this place, and a lot of us are already in it. So you want to spend time. If you paid for the full package, you should be in profit on that trade already. This was the one that this is upper week. This is a long fat trade, 28, 22. Come and do what you will do. This is another trade that went in our favor. We risked 28 pips to make 120 pips. This is another trade that went in our favor. They told us earlier that is a potential swing trade. So when they say it's a potential swing trade, it means that this trade will go a long way. However, when they call it for a buy, we entered and a lot of us just did 100 pips and we are out. But they've told us that it's a potential swing trade. So if there's a potential swing trade, just leave it. It means that it will run some more. And it has gotten to over 525 pips since when it was called. So please and please, if you have the full pack, this is a tool you want to play around with because they are also doing well. They're doing well. So from Steady, we move to Levels. Levels is also doing well if you have it. Levels is another amazing tool by Oran Wright. Oran Wright is amazing head and shoulder trader. He's been consistent for a very, very long time. Oran Wright has been very, very consistent. Okay, so he has given us look at the sell idea. They gave this to us. So we should sell here and just did 30 pips and we're out of the market. But guess what? That same trade went down, down, and down as if it's really, really down. It's really, really down. Okay. So whenever there is head and shoulder, it picks it up and send it to the community. And the major head and shoulder, a lot of reversal will never happen without head and shoulder. So if you really want to see and pick trades, you want to spend time on head and shoulder. This is what one of the head and shoulder pattern. Look at it. Look at buy. That's the pattern signal, and look at how far it later went. So he spends a lot of time giving us training on that. You also have another strategy on this that says Monday candlestick. So whenever the candle market opens, it tells us if it breaks above it, we'll buy. If it breaks below it, we sell. So the man, no worry, this one does not even take anything. If it breaks this place, you sell. So last week, Monday, look at it dropped down. If it breaks above it, you buy. So that is what is called Monday candle. Look at this, is it? Monday candle. It breaks below, you sell. This Monday candle. It didn't break above. Once it breaks below, you sell. 220, and you put your stop loss above your eye. So it's not that you not put stop loss, you put stop loss. So if you pick this trade here now, as it breaks down here, your stop loss is above the eye and it's going to go down. So if you sit down and backtest this for Monday alone, every Monday, the candle we set up, this candle, Monday candle path, look at, it did not break down, it went to break up. Look at it. As it breaks up, just enter 0.01. Put your stop loss below the low, 40 pips. Throughout that week, look at it. Throughout that week, 180 pips. Another Monday is here. Okay, another Monday is here. So it didn't break down, it broke up. Now, as it broke up, you enter. It went 12 pips and came back and hit you out on stop loss. I don't like this strategy. I lost. No, it's just 3-1. We've won 3, and that 3 gave us over 200 pips each. This one has only collected 22 pips. So you now run away that the strategy is not working. No, now you can't run away now. That's my challenge with new traders. Once you hit stop loss, they say it's not good. This is another one. It did not break up, it break down. When it break down, your stop loss is above the eye, 16 pips. Look at Monday candle. Look at it. 132 pips. 132 pips. Okay? As it broke down 132 pips, you enter. Just don't use illegal loss size. That is 4-1. And 4-1, that is over 600 pips that he has given us for 4 weeks. This is another Monday. It didn't break up, it didn't break down, it broke up. As it broke up, the candle closes above it, you buy. Your stop loss is below 24 pips. It gave us 37 pips. Some people will not move their stop loss. They will say the strategy used to give us 200. But the market has given you 37 pips in your koro eye. You were playing with it. You didn't move your stop loss to break even. You didn't partial close. The market came down and hit you out in stop loss. Then you now say you are not happy. You know, you have to be happy. The market gave it to you. You are the one that gave it back to the market. This is another Monday. The market closed above. As it closed above, you put your stop loss here, 41 pips. It gave us 67 pips. By Wednesday, Thursday, you are out of the market. Another Monday. The market did not break up. The market broke down. Look at it, broke down. Yay. It went up as if it will hit your stop loss. It didn't get there. Then it finally did what? It finally dropped 54 pips for the week. That's about 6-1. We are going somewhere, 6-1. You just need to take 10 trades, okay? This is Monday. It didn't break up, it broke down. As it broke down, look at it, tested, it retraced. So you will not have entered this trade until the candle closes below it. So all this place now, you won't enter. All this place, you will not enter until it breaks and closes below it. So this is your entry point. And this is your stop loss, 27 pips. It gave us 19 pips, okay? When it gave us 19 pips in profit, then it retraced back. But it would be so unfair if you now ended up losing back that trade because it gave us 19 pips profit. Now, this is a proper ranging market. The market closed there, and the market will range. Look at, for a whole week, the market was ranging, guys. For the whole week, it did not break up. Look at, it broke down, but kept on ranging. And this is not a period to now be angry with the market, that the market did not move. It's not your market, it is a market. So it means that a lot of people are involved. When the market is ranging, how many of us you're gaining value tonight? Type in 444. You're gaining value tonight. Can you type in 444, guys? So it means that there's a lot of learners in your region. I'm #1 in my Hall of Fame. Thanks for teaching my arms to war. Hey, amazing. Thank you so much. Okay, so another one. We're looking for another Monday. Another Monday. Where are you? Another Monday. Wow, this one paid off. Look at it. As it broke down, your stop loss is the next high. Just the next high. Don't do too much. That's 18 pips. It gave us 71 pips. How many of us feel that this is good? Okay. This is another break. As the candle closes below it, don't war against. Don't war. Just enter very. See, when you have this kind of strategy, don't do illegal. Don't put illegal lot size. Put reasonable lot size. So as it closes, you enter sell 24 pips, and 24 pips gave us over 90 pips down in profits. So if you have the full pack, this is a tool you can wake up, and as it is now, if you open it Monday, it's already Monday. Another one would have opened now. Where's Monday? Where's Monday? This is the, so another one we open by tomorrow. It's called Monday candle. This is the rule. Which side of Monday did the market break out from? Did it break out 100% of the neckline? Did the market complete the left and right shoulder? So this is the rule. But me, I just wait for the cloud to gather. As the cloud gather, come on, guys. Look at Monday last week, 17. Can you see this? This is 16. So, but you know, it's international time. Let me change the time to our time. Is there a place to change time on this? For you, come and do what you will do. I need your move, oh God. Where's Lagos? So if there's no Lagos, just do UST +1. No, that's not plus.
Madrid.
Yes, sir, Madrid. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So this is 16. This is 16:00. At 16:00, look at it. So this is Monday night close. So you just put your line and be waiting. So you can put this one on your MetaTrader 4 on your phone and draw the trap. Once it breaks down like this, just enter throughout the week. By Thursday, come and close. I've studied that. By Thursday, this is 19th March. 19th March. Can you see 19th? You can see. So it's not that I'm telling you, I've said Thursday before I even went to check. Why? Because Monday, the market will move Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. By Thursday night, come and close. Well, anything he give you, either 20 pips, either 30 pips, come and close. This one gave us 498 pips. 498 pips. So when the market opens tomorrow, by tomorrow night, me, I'm here. So it's not that Mr. Mayowa is a guru. No, he's a guru, but I use tools. Everybody on the call, type in tools, guys. Type in tools. Type in tools, guys. The way you are typing, I don't understand. It should be dropping like fire. We've picked over 9 trades and we've only lost 1. It should be fast like fire. I'm telling you. So as the market open again, just come to your levels, change the strategy to Monday. You can build wealth on this one. Just don't over leverage. Don't over leverage. Look at it. The market broke down. Oh, you sell. When you sell, look at it, gave you 300 pips. So by Monday night, tomorrow night, it will form again. It will form again. So, and as it form, just wait for the break. And this one, it will work for all the strategies. It will work for all the look at gold. If you're a gold lover, look at gold is trapped. Look at the left shoulder of last week, Monday. Did it break up or down? Everybody, what did it break up or down? So it didn't break up, it didn't break down. So no matter how you love to make money, this place now, just be gentle. You will be calm. Nothing is happening because the market is ranging. Let's check out the previous Monday. Previous Monday is 10th March. Is that so? 10th of March. That is it. So it has set you on fire. It has set up already. Look at it. It broke down. As it broke down, the market closes. Look for the next high after that candle. That is 228 pips stop loss. Look at what it gave us. It gave us over 1,000 pips down, over 1,100 pips for that week. Look at another one. Everybody on the call, look at it. Guys, where did it break up? Did it break down or it broke up? Everybody on the call. Did it break down or it broke up? So what will you do? Sell or buy? Sell or buy? Buy. Good. So you bought. This one, the stop loss is too much. You will, no matter how much you have here, you will reduce your account because the stop loss is too wide. So because the stop loss is too wide, you will reduce your lot size to the barest minimum, but it still delivered 500 pips. It still delivered 500 pips. So let's go back some more and check two more. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Look at what I'm saying. It broke. You see the red candle. Stop loss. 165 pips. It dropped 700. You can see it didn't get to stop loss at all. It didn't get there. What you will do. I need your move. Look at it. It gave us 760 pips. So this week now, me, I'm waiting. Another this kind of shade will happen here by tomorrow night. Once it happen, I will set another trap. Once it break, look at what this thing has given us in a month. And it's happening. Look at, it's happening every week. Look at, it broke up, you buy, your purchase. Look at your purchase, heavy. That's this is called send down the rain. So to allow us know that it is not a strategy that is 100% true. Look at, it came down, it broke it down, so you would have sold. You put almost 400 pips as stop loss. You now ended up eating it out. You now say you had a bad week. No, now there will be good week, and you've seen how much you have made, how much all the pips you have made. Look at this. It broke this down again. Oh my father. Stop loss 480. It gave us 2,000 pips. Guys, it didn't break up, it didn't break, it didn't break up, it broke down. As it broke down, you sell. Stop loss above. It came down, gave us 1,000 pips. Look at this one now. It trapped us. As it break up, wow, everybody enter buy. Yay. Oh yeah, go up. Well, it didn't go up, guys. It didn't go up. It came down to hit us stop loss. So, but when you are right, you are right. When you are wrong, please, is there condition here? No condition now. Ozombo. Ozubo. It's Monday night. Let me see if we can have time. For you, come and do what you will do. This is 21st of January. This is 21st of January, 4 a.m. Okay, 4 a.m. 21st of January, 4 a.m. That is when it broke. But the shade would have happened. You'd have seen this shade before. So that is Monday night to about Tuesday morning. And if this will happen on all the pairs, it shows for all the pairs. Look at broke out buy, broke up buy, but came to his stop loss, broke down sell. He moved in profit for a while. He will come back to his stop loss. Look at broke down sell, broke down sell, broke up buy, broke up buy. You can see that the buys are powerful and they are so amazing. Now, maybe I'll do a training on this later in the week on how to harness this proper. But this, without using anything on it, you are good to go. Does it make sense, everybody? Can I go further? This one does not have any condition. Just wait for a candle to close above it or below it. So for those who have the full package, you can Renko strategy. I've not worked on that. Me, I don't want to know everything. That one alone. Monday strategy is enough. Okay? Monday strategy is enough. Coach, how much is the full package? You can add it now. It's just 20. It's $22. That's 8,000 or 10,000 thereabout. 8 to 10,000. Between 8 to 10,000. That's what you would be charged. But you have to be disciplined. No? Not that as a break, you enter illegal. Guys, there will be days that your faith will be tested. Please don't jump in. Then what you can also do, you look for peers. I will try and do more research on how that is working now. So you have to also you can find a way to sieve it. But for me, yeah, if you have elite, you are covered, obviously. So just trade your breakout and you're good. No vibrator tonight. Gold cup, not tonight. Let's check bounce back. For you, come and do what you will do. I need your move. Yeah. I need your move. Yeah. So I like the sniper. I like the sniper because it's about copy and paste. Look at it. Before the market closed, they told us to buy. And as the market got here, this one is copy and paste. Don't calculate for them. Just as once they say buy, use your lot size, use your rightful lot size. It's not even right lot size, rightful. They say we should buy here. Okay, and the market got there, it retraced. So if you even bought here, you're already in profit of 190 pips. Okay. Look at it. You're already in profit. So we should buy on the green line. So if you buy there, you're already in profit. Their entries are crazy, guys. See, and their stop losses are very small. They say we should buy here. Big TP1 straight. They are not nice. Oh. These guys are not nice. Look at. They say we should sell here. The market obeys their setup as if they are the one that is controlling the market. They are called BB sniper. Look at. The market came back up. You put your sell limit. You clean your mouth as if you have not entered a trade, whereas you have made money. This one was also called during the week last week. They say we should sell here. Look at, just sell here And as we said, the market came and hit their TP3 and it started going back up. These ones, they don't send you. They are trade house click. Call them trade house.
These guys are snipers.
They are snipers.
See, look at that. Look at that entry. Look at the take profit.
No. These guys are not okay. They are entries. They don't
crazy snipers, man.
No. These guys are not. They are not okay. Just give it to us. So just check. They have sessions every day on Go Live. No, sorry, Monday to Thursday. Does it give email notification? No. I'm not aware of email. I'm not aware of email notification. But they are doing well. It's copy and paste. So just check their trades. Their trades are sharp. Sharp. Look at their entry. Sharp. They don't send also. This is on the 20th, US 30, for those that love US 30. Okay, it's not loading. Their entries are sharp. Hey. Kochi, see market.
Gap.
For those that enter this trade, that's ETPO. They say you should sell, potential sell, TP1, TP2, TP3, market gap down. No, as the market open, I don't understand. No, it's not open. That's not open. I think that's broker challenge. I think is the platform. So another tool is the bounce back. Okay. So if you have the full package, you can harness levels. I like the Monday strategy. I like steady. I like bounce back sniper, but I love more. I love more levels, Mondays, and I love bounce back sniper. It's copy and paste. No need to, I am busy, but you want to make sure between Monday night and Tuesday morning, you have set up your trap. If you have $100, enter 3 trades, 0.01. Once it break up, you buy. Once it break down, you sell. Put your stop loss. Come and see the market on Thursday. So not that you come and be checking on Tuesday. Yeah, it's going up or it's coming. No, don't. If you are checking, it's to manage the trade. Okay, it's to manage the trade. So the next one is the harmonics scanner. Come on, guys. If it's making a lot of sense, can you type in 222, guys? If it's making a lot of sense, can you type in 222? For you, come and do what you will do. I need you. No. I need your move, Lord. Do what you will do. So here's the harmonics scanner. To point your zones as usual. If you are using divergence, if you are using OSIA, anyone you use, everything works. The question is, which one do you want to master? Okay? Which one do you want to master? So a lot of time you might not be able to work with harmonics scanner when the market is not open. So, but when the market open, you can come on board and you're good to go. Okay? So when the market open, get set for what the market will be giving to us this week, and we are good to go. Okay, are we ready for the outlook? What do we forecast? What do we see coming? We've seen a lot of stuff this week. And
Mr. Maiwa, before you proceed, Asa, I would like for us to recommend they go back and watch Manny McQuinnon's video on the 7 strategy on the harmonic scanner.
Amazing.
You know, everyone would have to choose what strategy works for them. Everyone will have to, you know, because those 7 strategies actually engulfs everything we are teaching. The head and shoulder, the divergent strategy. Of course, the only one he did not teach there, which of course he didn't get by revelation, is the Hosea strategy, of which you have the creator here in Nigeria. And of course, that's your very self. Now, that you want to take out time and watch those videos. You want to be very deliberate about those videos. Now, if you understand what I just said right now, everyone, can you put in 111 in the chat box? That video by Manny McQuinnon, that video is actually a phenomenal layout. 7 strategies. You want to pick the one you resonate with. We also have the divergent strategy there. Mr. Maiwa taught that again on Friday. Fantastic training. Go and pick it up and master a strategy. Guys, we have money on the table. Over to you, Chairman Maiwa.
Thank you so much, our coach and mentor. Super excited. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah. Okay, guys. So my favorite pair this week will be US Mexican peso. However, we're ready for a sell on E-card. Okay. Permit me not to clear my screen because we had the divergence here. Okay. And whenever there is divergence, the market will retrace. Okay. So that's the divergence. And the sell came down. So what are we waiting for? We are waiting for a 15-minute breakout of the, when the market breaks out here, we're going to be looking for a sell on the Y because we have double top here already. Okay. We have double top here already. So Euro card is on our mind. When it breaks outside of that flag, we're going to be selling. And while we're selling, we also want to make sure that there is a flip here. There's a break, a close below the MACD. Okay. Let's check this. The Euro JPY has been playing rough play, but my bias is still that it's going up. Okay. My bias is that it's going up. I don't really like it when market is ranging. So what he's been doing is ranging basically. Okay, he's been ranging, but when he's going to pick up, he's only waiting for Euro USD for direction. And we already have triple top here, triple bottom here, which is a sign of reversal. We also have head and shoulder here, which is a sign of reversal of continuation. So when you have those kind of reversal, it means that the market is going up. Just that he played with a lot of emotions this week. And we're still expecting close to 500 pips on this trade. Okay, so Euro JPY for me, I think is going up. Okay. Let's go through this together from top-down analysis. We go to monthly. What is monthly giving us? Monthly has shown that the market has not gotten to its exhaustion stage. Okay, so it means that we still have a push up. We should have a push up to this supply. Okay, this week. I don't see that. So that's for monthly. And when that happens, we also have a big demand here. So that's on monthly. So when you go to weekly, what are we looking at? We're looking at a market that has been gapping up. Okay. But as a rule, always look left at the MOPOs that will block the movement of this pair. Okay. So I see a MOPO here. I see a MOPO junction here, guys. So, and if there's a MOPO junction there, that means that there will be a retracement. There will be a retracement at that place. So that is what is happening. So it's actually reacting to a MOPO junction. So what that means is that a cell reaction could be in place at this point. So when it comes to 4 hours, okay. Now notice there's no sign of reversal here, no divergence, no anything. However, what we can see that is happening is it could be a time for trend continuation. Look at it. Market started here, came down here. So the only reason why you want to sell here now is when the market breaks down this place. If it does not break, for me, I'm not trading Euro NZD, okay? If it breaks, good. If it does not break, stay away. Every fish is not edible. Not all fishes are edible. Okay, that thing is not sweet in English, but if you say it in Yoruba, it's very sweet. So Euro AUD does not have a retracement sign. But for me, I want it to break out of that place. Okay, it has to break out of this place. When it breaks out of this place, I want to see a flip here. I want the market to close down. I want this place to come out. If it comes out here, yeah, if it is a must, we trade here, we trade 25 pips to 25 pips TP1, and it breaks down below, we are also good. That's for Euro AUD, Euro NZD. So the same thing on Euro AUD, for patiently waiting for it to break down of the flag pattern. We have a flag pattern that has been ruling in the affairs of this chart. And how do you know flag pattern? This is impulse. So you can come to this trend line and go back up. Okay, then it falls from that place. Okay, but the bottom line is that there must be a flip. The same way there's a flip here. Look at the flip that happened here. The market broke down here, broke outside the trend line. Stop loss is what? 27 pips. It gave us 56, 55 pips. So that's how you want to trade it this week. So on Friday, we went in too early on the Euro AUD, Euro USD, okay? And I didn't like that fact. It was meant to break out. It has not break out, and the trade was called on the group, okay? So it broke out, hit us out in stop loss. Why? Because it did not break. So we're going to be waiting for it by tomorrow or next for it to break conveniently. When it breaks up conveniently, and this also breaks up conveniently, you can see that when this broke up, this also broke up. Okay, so this was the buy. Okay, some of us made money from this buy. So you are risking 36 pips, and it delivered 138 pips. So we're going to make back the money here. Once the market breaks up, we're going to go in and we are good to go. AUD chef, we're expecting it to come down to obey this flag. I'm expecting it to come down to obey this flag. Without that, no need to buy, okay? Without that, no need to buy. Although we've seen some movement here for price up, okay? Which means it can be a short retracement and bust out, okay? Can be, so if it busts out here, I will buy because I've seen an impulse and a correction. But a lot of time, what pushes impulse and correction are patterns like double bottom and double top and head and shoulder. So I've not seen that sign here. That sign needs to be here. Whenever a retracement wants to start, this is head and shoulder. This is double bottom. Whenever a retracement wants to start, okay? Whenever a continuation, you can see triple top. The market hit it 1, The market hit it 2, the market hit it 3. That's a sell. That's a rejection. So you want to always obey it. So I feel AUD should go up this week. AUD pairs should go up this week. They've gone through a lot that it has to go up. If you entered at the monthly time frame, they've gone through a lot. Don't know who did that to them, but they've gone through a lot. So this week, I'm expecting a lot of breakouts for a good buy that will take us for another long month. So there will be a retracement back to this demand zone at, this is a potential pending order. Okay. This should be a pending order. Okay. For you, this is a potential pending order. Come and do what you will do. So we'll be risking 420 pips. When the market comes back into this demand zone, then don't leave this market till the end of the year, till the end of next 2 months. Okay, it's going to be going up a very, very long time because what they have gone through is too painful. Okay, you can see you have to obey the retracement. The market has to come down. I'm seeing it coming down here and form a double bottom and it start going up. So buy is smelling so strong on this. USD JPY is going to be my favorite pair this week. As usual, what are the things I said causes retracement? Everybody on the call, if you're following closely with your notes, what are the things I mentioned that follows real reversals before it happens? Type that in right now. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. What did I mention? Triple top, fantastic. Triple top, double top, or bottom. Look at what happened here. Look at what happened here on Friday. The market got there, sell, got here, dropped, got here, dropped. So 3 times it has happened. So that means this trade has over 80% to 90% short to trade on this week. So what you want to do, make sure that there is a complete flip here. Don't jump in. And once that happens, you're going to get the trade on the group. Okay, so we're going to be risking something around 98 pips for a 400 pips down. So I'm really, really ready for USD JPY. Let's jump, let's jump, let's jump. CAD JPY. CAD JPY, this was the entry after the stick and flag. Okay, for some of us, we are still in this trade after the stick and flag. Look at it. The market broke up here. This was the entry. It broke up. So we are still in this trade. It has given us over 270 pips. So what will happen this week? Watch, everybody. The market will do what? We retrace again. Okay? It will retrace again. Okay? It will retrace again. Something like this. Okay. Something like this. It will go up. Something like this. Then retrace again. Something like this. So it's going to go up. CAD JPY still has, let's go to higher time frame. In my knowledge, CAD-JPY still has a very, 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 like very, have a very long way to go, okay? So expect that on the group, PATG group. Once the market breaks up, we still have a whoopee 530 pips to go, okay? And look at that's closed with a pin bar on weekly. So that should be our favorite pair this week, okay? We are waiting patiently for Mexican peso. So we're expecting it to break down, and we're going to conveniently enter a sell here. Okay, conveniently, not some, conveniently, we enter a sell. Although the sell has started on 15 minutes, okay? That started on 15 minutes. What I see happening when the market open on US Mexican peso, it comes up here again, form our usual main reversal pattern. Then we sell there for another 1,200 pips trade. Gold, we are buying gold this week. That shall not sleep. Guys, the market, we are buying gold this week. If you sleep, hey, if you sleep, oh, they won't get us. As usual, wait for the formation. The formation happened, popped out of that place, gave us the usual retracement. Everybody as usual. What makes a market retrace? What do we see here? One floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, fifth floor, sixth floor. That is a 6-time touch of that place. That is like 6 flat bottom. Sorry, 6 double top. This is 6 full bottom, if there's an English like that. Okay. And when that happened, it busted up. Bottoms. Okay, coach. Thank you, sir. I wanted to count the number. Okay, guys. So when the market closes, make sure it closes up before you enter. Make sure it closes up. Once it closes up, we're going to push it in on the group. We're going to be going for a whoopee 700 to 1,000 pips this week, okay? Don't close this trade, okay? No matter how you are tempted, don't close it. As you are in profit, just be moving it, just be protecting your profit, because we will be going for a good, smooth entry to 490 pips, and that's not the way we are going. This is exactly where we are going. Yes, this is exactly where we are going. So that's about 190 pips. And once that happens, we're going to be going down for about another 4,000 pips, which means that the gold will sell till the end of the year. So once this moves up, it will open up the monthly time frame sell. And once the monthly time frame sells confirms, we're going to be selling for a very long time. So please don't jump in. Look at what happened here. Look at the market went up as usual. So that's why you don't jump in on your first move up. You don't jump in. The market will always retrace back to you. So a lot of new traders, once they see one candle or 2 candles, they will jump in. They will say, oh, it's going up. No, the market does not have the strength to go up straight. It will come and call its brethren. So the same thing I drew here. Can everybody see that the same thing I drew here? I said it will give us either double bottom or triple bottom or head and shoulder. Look at it now. It gave us a head and shoulder, confirming that place as a buy. Now, you will not jump in. If your mind carry it, you can enter on this level. But for me, I will enter small portion here. Then I will wait for the market to break outside the zone. So, and you can see with your koro eye, as it broke outside for confirmation, it went as high. It went as high. That's 425 pips. And it did that in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It did that in less than 5. 5 times 15, 45. 5 times 15, 75. He did that in less than 2 hours. Okay, in 2 hours, 500, 400 pips. Very sweet. The same thing. Now, what you see here, let me remove the bigger one. What you see here, is it the same thing with what you see here? Everybody on the call. What you see here, is it the same thing with what you see here? The market repeats itself, guys. What you see here, is it the same thing? Good. So the repetition that happened here is about to happen here. So once it breaks above, don't call your neighbor, enter the trade. We too will enter, we'll put it on the PATG group so that we can go in. Then because it has this does not mean it's 100%. It only means it's 95%. So it can still go against you. So don't now go and enter illegal and say that they say it's sure. Nothing like sure in Forex, okay? It's just a higher probability trade that we push in here. Let me check one more pair. I think a lot of us are waiting for the GBP pairs, okay? So let's round up with the GBP pairs and move to the next announcement. GBP pairs, I'm expecting it to go up this week. They've done a lot of damage to GBP pairs. Is it? So look at it. The market broke out of this place. And as the market broke out, my 4C confirmed, look at it, 370 pips. Again, another one happened again. Excuse me. The FC confirmed it again. Stop loss 136 pips, 131 pips, and they gave us 380 pips to 400 pips again. Again, look at it, has crossed up. It has broken the flag. Some people would have jumping. No, you don't jump in because the market will do play like this. Watch the play, everybody. It will do this kind of play. Look at, we do this kind of play. So when it does this kind of play, that is when me and us, everybody, that's when you will see the trade on the group. That's where you will buy, okay? It must do that play. And when it does that, okay, you now end up seeing a buy cross on your flip, okay? I think I've been able to go through all the pairs. The major pair we are waiting for, U card, G card, card JPY. We're waiting. U card is already set. They're only waiting for a confirmation. That's already set. But what I see happen here now, it will play up again. It will play up to this place to form double top. Then it will finally do what? So if you enter here now, it will hit your stop loss. You now say it's not working. No, you have to wait patiently. The Forex market, money leaves the impatient to go and meet the patient people. Thank you so much for your time. I return the baton back to our coach and mentor, Mr. Francis Chiora, amazing leader. Everybody, welcome back. Our coach, typing 9777 on the chat box. Everybody, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Coach, are you on the call, sir?
I'm right here on the call. Amazing layout tonight. Guys, let's turn the table back to this amazing leader, Amazon leader par excellence. Put in a 777. I know, put in 555 in the chat box. Put some graces on the platform. Put in some graces in the chat box. Everyone, put in a 555 in the chat box. Amazing layout. Phenomenal. Everyone on the call, celebrate greatness. Whatever you celebrate, you accelerate in your life. These are principles that works. I've seen them work in my life. I've seen them work in the life of people around me. Celebrating greatness is the way to attract it. So quickly, guys, I have two major announcements to give us on the call tonight. This is 9:45 p.m. The market, we're waiting for the market to open. Great analysis, giving us good direction. And of course, I'd like to give you two major announcements tonight. One on the PATG and of course on the African Online Summit. So let me start from the PATG. One thing we have been doing the last 1 week, for those who don't know, is that we have daily calls to do this kind of analysis on the PATG. We're going to be more explicit this time around to show people from the levels, for those who have it, to the bounce back, to the harmonic scanner, showing you the different trade setups that you should be looking out for. Why is that? I have a tool and I don't know where exactly I should take a buy or sell. That just that strategy or that session helps you to really know where to look at, and of course increases your profitability and winning. Guys, we have something big on the table. We need to maximize it. A lot of people have their applications active. They don't know how to use it. And of course, on those sessions, we are able to call out trades live. You're able to pick live trades apart from the trades you pick on the PATG. So guys, that's a good incentive. Don't miss the online sessions. We're going to run it again this week. And of course, it starts by 10 a.m. Very deliberately to 11 a.m. And you can join on those calls. Guys, don't miss that. Now, the new thing we have, I'm going to, of course, the PATG calls. Some of them you can see Mr. Maiwa. Of course, they are setting up the PATG group. As soon as a confirmation is made, it will be sent out on the PATG. You notice that there are not too many calls there. We're waiting for the right trades, right high probability trades, trades that are called via setups and patience. Now, the way the market works is if you obey all the conditions and you form a confluence and you call a trade, then you are justified. So the PATG, of course, and that we'll be doing again this week. Be on the lookout. We'll be sending out trade calls on the PATG for those who are actively on the PATG. If you're not there, you want to get back to the PATG. Now, more so because of what I'm going to say right now. Now, we discovered that a lot of people who have active accounts don't even know when trades are called. Somebody has the vibrator, doesn't know when trades are called. Somebody has the gold cup, doesn't know when trades are called. When Luke Longmire and Kimberly Torres calls out trades, doesn't know when Kelvin Serrano and of course Dr. Cathy calls out trades. Now these people don't even know when trades are called out, by Barley Granville or all these phenomenal traders or a Stevenson Linder. He doesn't know when trades are called out on the bounce back. So what we have decided to do, guys, is to ensure that everyone on the PATG group, the moment the trades are called, for instance, on London payout. Now, first of all, we would let you know anytime the session starts. For instance, if we're having a Dr. Cathy starting a session, we're going to have somebody at the PATG to alert you, Dr. Cathy's live session is on now. So that will prompt somebody who is available to jump on the calls and pick the trades. Now, that's the additional thing we're going to be putting on the PATG. Now, of course, if a Kelvin Serrano is on, that guy is phenomenal with what he does. Now, if a Kelvin Serrano calls out trades, for instance, now, of course, it's on a live session. We're going to alert you. Kelvin Serrano is on now, so you can join. If a Kimberly Torres Forex Chicks is on, or maybe a Luke Longmire is on, then we're going to alert you. Now, why is that so? We want to make sure everyone who has an active account fully maximizes the account. We are very deliberate. You're going to be watching it out. Somebody said, I don't even know when they're on. We're going to be alerting you. Somebody's going to be on the back end who's going to be keeping the watch to make sure everyone who has an account, individuals in our team, just jumping on Kelvin Serrano and just jumping on Lucas Longmire, and Kimberly Torres, just jumping on those platforms in one day did about 500% of account. The Forex Cheese does not joke. If you're on a call, you know that these calls are fire. Where I was, of course, some days ago, where, of course, Dr. Cathy had a session and called that 10 trades. She did not lose one. 10 trades, 10 over 10. Last week, we were all on a call. We saw Dr. Cathy Kakland called only one trade. While we were still there on a live session, he hit TP. These people have mastered their craft. So you don't reinvent the wheel. A Stevenson Lyndon has mastered his craft. Look at the snipers. They have mastered their craft. Look at Oran Wright. He has mastered his craft. Guys, you don't reinvent the wheel. As you learn, why not earn at the same time? So, of course, I tell you there are 3 rules. We are copying and pasting. You are connecting and earning. And, of course, you are doing it by yourself. So that's why we give trainings Monday through Friday. That's why we have the Island Center, the Mainland Center, training, scholarship classes. Now, the intention is that you can also learn and do it yourself while you're making money. So on the PATG, what we are doing is simple. We're going to be alerting you on the live session, and this will excite you. What I'm about to say will excite you. If you're ready to hear it, can you put in 555 in the chat box? What I'm going to say next will excite everyone on the call right now. If you're ready to hear what I'm about to say right now, put in a 555 in the chat box. Everyone on the call, of course, knowing that the session is on is a lot of excitement. Knowing that Kimberly Torres is live, Lee Allen is live. Lee Allen is another phenomenal trader. Great respect to Mama Lee Allen for what she's doing. Of course, great respect for her for giving birth to a Bas Kujiman. Great respect to her. So letting you know a Lee Allen is going to be on the call. Letting you know a Kimberly Torres is going to be on the call. A Lucas Longmire. Now, letting you know all these phenomenal traders. Notice that we are not mentioning a lot of them. Just a few of them that have shown amazing consistency. Now, what I'm going to say next will blow your mind. Now, this is it. If you're ready, this is it. Now, our group on the back end will send the trades they have called on the PATG. Now, listen to me. Now, for instance, a Mama Kati session, somebody saying, I have a trade, I'm on the PATG, but I'm busy. Or for some reason, I can't join the live session because I'm at work or I'm doing stuff. Now, what our group will do, listen to me now. What the group will do on the PATG, apart from the PATG trading group's call, what the group will do is that we're going to send every trade because you have an active account. You paid for it. You are on the PATG. We're going to send out the trades called on the different trades live sessions, on the London Payout LPO, on all the signal platforms, levels, in steady. Now we're going to let you know this is steady. This is level call. We'll let you know. We're going to give you all the parameters. We're going to call, of course, the vibrator will give you the parameters. Now we're going to give the trades live and direct on the PATG. Now, all we'll be doing is to make it easy so you can copy the trade as long as you're on the PATG. Now, of course, this is for those who say, okay, I can't join the live session. I can't access it, but I have an active account. If you're excited about that, everyone, one more time, put in a 555. I know that would excite you guys. We're just simplifying this whole process. Now, of course, everyone has the account. You can log in, but we want to lay it down. We'll let you know this is Vibrata. This is London Payout. This is Lee Allen's call. We'll let you know the trades will be sent out. This is Dr. Kati who call out the trades. All you are doing is to copy and paste on the PATG. All you are doing, guys, is to copy and paste. All you are doing is to copy and paste. Now, this trade calls will be sent out. We'll let you know when the call is starting. As soon as they are calling the trades or putting it down, all you are doing, guys, is to copy and paste. I'm excited about this myself because I know it's going to change lives. With the trade parameters, the stop loss, the take profit, everything put out there, all you are doing, guys, is to copy and paste. I'm excited about that myself, and I know everyone is excited. Guys, what a time to really win, even in the midst of crisis. I'm excited. The next announcement is about the African Online Trading and Training Summit. Of course, this is I Am Nigeria's call. And of course, by the grace of God, we'll be having it on the 26th of March, 2020. And of course, it's the African Trading and Training Online Summit. We're going to be having 6 of the best educators that we are selectively permeated. Now, these individuals, Lucas Longmire, Dr. Kati Kakland, Dr. Kati Kakland, Stevenson Lindo, Christopher Derrick, Bas Kujiman, Manny McQuinons, these 6 titans are going to be on the live session. And now to cap it up, we're going to have our millionaire mentor and coach, Mr. David Imonite. That he's the chairman producer himself, a phenomenal leader, a man graced for exploit. I celebrate and appreciate the grace of God upon his life. He's going to be on the call live and direct, and that alongside with our CEO, the founder of I Am Mastery Academy, the man who saw the vision over 6 years ago while he has retired at the beach, where he had a voice and a voice told him, earn, learn, and earn. A man who has retired, made millions of dollars in Forex, eventually came back to teach us how to win in the Forex market. Mr. Christopher Terry is going to be live and direct on the call, alongside with Mr. David Imonite and some other chairmen. Of course, people like Gary Maxwell is going to be there. All right, of course, people like Justin Owens, and all the amazing leaders are going to be there. Mr. Clive Johnson also by the grace of God, will also be there. So all these leaders are going to be with us on Thursday. 6 live traders are going to be there. So you want to go and load your account. I give you that expo. Find a way, guys. I pray the banks don't close. Find a way to put your money there, because the trading continues. By the grace of God, on Thursday, we're going to have 6 to 7 hours of live session. Each of those traders are going to be dissecting the market. They're going to be laying out the market. All we're going to be doing is to set our parameter, with watch out what they're doing, learn from them, and also earn on the sessions. Guys, I'm excited. I was chatting with Lucas Longmire tonight, and he was telling me they will join, and of course, we're going to send out live trades. Lucas Longmire by himself gave me that feedback, where, of course, Dr. Kati also is going to be there. We have Manny McQuinons, the harmonics scanner guru, is going to be there. We have Bas Kujiman, he's also going to be there. We have Christopher Derrick, the young man who picked up and who closed at $1.5 million in a month. He's going to be there as well. These guys are not just mere traders. Of course, we're going to have this man I respect so much, Mr. Stevenson Lyndon. This man understands how to map the charts. I had a lovely time watching him train last week. And of course, I love that training. So guys, you want to take our time. These guys are going to be live with us. If you're excited about that, everyone on the call, put in a 222 in the chat box. Everyone on the call is going to be the African Online Summit Training and Trading Summit, guys. We are going to be making money by the grace of God. We're going to be learning at the same time. No wonder I Am Mastery Academy is called a learn and earn platform. Don't forget, it's going to be Thursday, 26th of March, 2020. And that's the Online Trading and Training Summit, the very first Africa has ever had, the very first I Am Nigeria has ever had. Don't miss it. Don't be told. Be very deliberate. Invite as many people to that summit. If I were you, I'm going to call all the doubters. If I were you, I'm going to call everyone who's sitting on the fence to come and watch. It's going to be free. Now, you don't need a subscription to join that. The calls you're going to pick for free. You don't need to be on Go Live to join that. But of course, what it will do for you is to raise your belief. Now, everyone who's a doubter, who's sitting on the fence, who's an unbeliever in Forex, get them to be on the call. Now, we have Dr. Kati. While she's still on the call, her trades are hitting TP. Now, we have people like Lucas Longmire, a man that as if God listens to him. When he tells God to buy, God buys. Of course, we heard him, he said he had never blown an account. He learned from the very best, Lucas Longmire. We're also going to be having Bas Kujiman, we'll be having Manny McQuinons, we'll be having Stevenson Lyndon, and all these phenomenal educators. So guys, don't miss it, don't miss out, don't be told. Chairman Maiwa, over to you, sir. Chairman Maiwa, are you on the call, sir? The flyer is out. Somebody's asking the flyer. The flyer is out. We sent out the flyer already. If you check out on the Telegram group, we have the flyer. We also have the flyer on all the groups as well. My internet is sadly not unstable. What is PATG about? PATG is our Profit Arcade Trading Group. You need to be active to access PATG. If you're an active member, you have an active I Am subscription, you'll be added to the PATG group. And of course, you access all these trades. Every of the trader session, we announce it and we will send out the trades. So while somebody's watching on those sessions, as the trades are called, we'll send it out. And of course, for somebody who's unable to join the session, for instance, which I believe no one should have an excuse, but of course, we want to take it to a place of zero assumption. We don't want to assume anything at all. We don't want to leave any stone unturned. We want to ensure everyone in our community who's active properly maximizes their package. So while you are learning, using the FRX tools, gaining the knowledge, going through the videos, studying the videos, and of course, you are taking our time to follow one or two educators of your choice. You are knocking in the skill. You're also making money at the same time. Now, this is to ensure everyone, ladies and gentlemen, I mean, everyone on the platform, not leaving one person outside, to ensure everyone truly wins. So you are taking out from there. So what about the PATG trading channel? Now, the Profit Arcade Trading Group is the channel for active members. It's a channel, actually. So that channel is for active members. So that's the channel where we add those who are active and we remove those who are inactive. Now, it's the additional incentive we are giving to you. Ordinarily, you are meant to watch the sessions which you are also meant to, because it will help you to see how these things are done. However, we want to be very deliberate. We want to be very intentional, of course, with going forward. So that's the additional incentive. We had a session on the back end, and of course, conclusively, the leadership of Prophet Arcade came up with that assumption, come up with that strategy to ensure everyone, without leaving anyone, without an exception of any person, to win while they're on the platform active. Guys, I'm excited. If you're not active, you want to go and reactivate your account. Of course, we'll be doing that starting from tomorrow. And of course, but latest by Tuesday, you're going to see all that workout on the back end. Latest by Tuesday, you'll see all that trace sent out. We'll let you know the educator. We'll let you know the application we're sending it from. And of course, we'll be sending out. All you'll be doing, all the parameters there is to copy and paste. Guys, I call it set and forget and let it run. I'm excited about this information. Shabamaiwa, are you there on the call?
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Thank you so much, sir.
People are extremely excited about this information. They're extremely excited about the new update on the PATG. They're really excited. And of course, I'm excited as well, because lives are going to be changing. God will take the glory. We'll be here to share the story. Over to you, Chairman Mayowa.
Thank you so much, our coach and mentor. We super celebrate you. Okay, team, that's what we have for this week. Get set, do the needful, and I can tell you, this week shall be a blessing to us. Be patient, stick to the rules, and the rules will pay the bills. Do have a wonderful week ahead. God bless you. Bye-bye for now, team.